What if I told you that the world of investments as you know it is about to be redefined? That soon you could own a fraction of a skyscraper in Dubai, a piece of art by Picasso, or even a share of a private company with unprecedented liquidity and the potential for 200% gains by 2026. This isn't fiction, it's the tokenized asset revolution, and artificial intelligence has already unveiled its true potential. Get ready, because what you're about to discover will forever change where you put your money. Welcome to Financial Future, the channel where we explore the frontiers of smart investing and the technology that drives it. Until now, access to certain markets, like luxury real estate or high-value art, was reserved for a privileged few. Tokenization has broken down those barriers. Today, we will unveil not only what tokenized assets are, but how artificial intelligence is already identifying the most lucrative opportunities in this space, revealing the potential for 200% gains by 2026. This is the future of investing, democratized and optimized by AI. Until recently, investing in real assets like high-value properties, art collections, or even large infrastructures was a distant dream for most. The barriers were insurmountable: exorbitant prices, complex bureaucratic processes, a lack of liquidity, and access restricted to very closed circles. Your money, no matter how well managed, simply couldn't access the growth opportunities these markets offered. You felt excluded, and your capital was limited to options with ever-diminishing returns. This exclusivity was not only unfair, it was a brake on your true financial expansion. This is where tokenization comes in, a revolutionary concept that divides the ownership of an asset into small digital units, or tokens, which are recorded on a blockchain. Each token represents a verifiable and divisible part of a real asset, opening the door to fractional investing, greater liquidity, and unprecedented transparency. And it's artificial intelligence that acts as the engine, the brain behind this revolution. AI is capable of analyzing the provenance, valuation, and market potential of these tokens on a scale a human never could. Neurobiologically, this opening to new opportunities, with a promise as big as 200%, activates our dopamine reward system, not because of speculation, but because of the tangible possibility of a new form of prosperity. AI doesn't just give you access, it gives you the vision to capitalize on it. Real asset valuation via unconventional data. The first secret strategy to reach that 200% is real asset valuation via unconventional data. AI goes beyond traditional financial reports. It analyzes art auction histories, tourist demand for specific real estate locations, social media sentiment on artistic trends, or the usage of an infrastructure. Therefore, it identifies undervalued tokenized assets that the traditional market hasn't deciphered yet, revealing their true growth potential. Multi-platform liquidity arbitrage detection. The second and crucial strategy is multi-platform liquidity arbitrage detection. As tokenization expands, the same assets can be listed on different exchanges. AI monitors these price and liquidity differences in real time, executing arbitrage trades in milliseconds, exploiting the inefficiencies of the new market. But what happens if the asset doesn't have enough liquidity for a significant arbitrage? AI has an answer in strategy number 6. Dynamic token portfolio optimization. Third is dynamic token portfolio optimization. AI doesn't just diversify your token portfolio, it adjusts it in real time based on the correlation between different types of tokenized assets, for example, real estate versus art versus commodities. It analyzes thousands of combinations to ensure your investment mix is always aligned with the highest performance and lowest risk projections for 2026. This way, your capital is always in the most potent combination. Predictive generation of green opportunities. The fourth secret strategy is the predictive generation of green opportunities. AI doesn't just react to events, it looks for patterns that suggest the emergence of new economic, technological, or social trends that will skyrocket the value of certain tokenized assets. For example, it anticipates favorable regulatory changes, disruptive innovations in an industry, or the rise of a new market niche. So, it positions you in the next big wave before it's visible to the majority. Governance and community analysis of tokenized projects. The fifth is the governance and community analysis of tokenized projects. Beyond the numbers, the success of a tokenized asset depends on the strength of its team, its roadmap, and its community activity. AI scans forums, GitHub, social media, and governance documents to assess the project's health and engagement, alerting you to early signs of weakness or strength. Therefore, you invest not only in the asset, but in the solidity of its digital ecosystem. Unlocking fractional investments with smart contracts. The sixth strategy is unlocking fractional investments with intelligent smart contracts. AI identifies high-value physical assets that are being tokenized, connects you with secure platforms, and guides you in purchasing minimal fractions through verified smart contracts on the blockchain. This means you can invest in a Picasso for $100 or a fraction of a Manhattan building with security and transparency, eliminating the barrier to entry. Can you imagine the potential of having access to elite markets with a minimal investment? This is the secret of financial democratization. Self-optimizing performance systems with quantum AI. And the seventh, but most cutting edge, is the implementation of self-optimizing performance systems with quantum AI. Here, AI doesn't just analyze. It uses models inspired by quantum computing to evaluate billions of market scenarios simultaneously, continuously adjusting your positions to maximize gains and minimize risk. This level of optimization is unattainable for any human analyst, ensuring that your investment not only aims for 200%, but is constantly adapting to exceed even that figure. That is why your gains are not just exponential, they are intelligently sustainable. With these 7 strategies, artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's your master key to unlocking a world of previously inaccessible investments. The tokenized asset revolution, powered by AI, offers you the opportunity to achieve gains of 200% by 2026, transforming your wealth and your vision of the future. There are no more barriers to entry for luxury markets. Saying goodbye to limited investments is no longer a dream. It's a reality you can build today. AI doesn't just give you access, it gives you the knowledge to succeed in this new era. The history of investment is being rewritten, and tokenized assets are the next chapter. If this video has revealed the potential for 200% gains with AI to you, the next step is vital. Subscribe to Financial Future right now and activate notifications. This way, you'll ensure you receive the most cutting-edge strategies and deepest analyses on the tokenized economy and how AI will guide you to prosperity every week. Join the community of investors who are already leading the new era. If you want to be part of the financial revolutions of the future and learn to master emerging opportunities, we invite you to explore more content on our channel. At Financial Future, we turn the future into your present. If this video brought you value, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us your questions and comments. Your interaction helps us grow and continue bringing you the best content for your financial future.